having fun with our Linde cobot. If you listen closely, you can hear a Monterrey Whip. A step weave. And like with all things cobot related, it's easy to program. We just pressed a button that said step weave, and I set 1.3 hertz. And these welds, just again, like everything we've been doing with this cobot, they come out perfect. In the corner here, we changed to a circle weave. Again, just press the button for circle. And here is that weld, stack of dimes, cobot style. Notice the tie-in at the toes. Here are the first two welds that you saw and heard using the Texas Whip. Continuing along with this weld program, the cobot will put another circle weave vertical down in this corner and then two more identical step weaves. Here is the second vertical down weld with a circle weave. Moving into the upper portion of this branch bumper, the material thicknesses are greater and the weld sizes are larger, and we took out the weave and the whip and just went straight stringer beads.